Hi, my name is Aaron Solomon. I'm with Frontier Fire Protection. I'm sitting here with Josh Tanner with Autocall. Autocall is a product that we represent and we sell a lot to our end-user customers as well as our electrical and general contractors and other partners within the industry to install. So Josh, when it comes to Autocall, what are some of the main key benefits to using this product versus any other adjustable system out on the market?
Yeah, so I would say the easiest answer is the fact that there's a huge differentiator when it comes to the fact that we have addressable notification. You mentioned installing contractors. The biggest difference with addressable notification is the fact that you're going to save a lot of cost on both wiring and installation time. So as you dig into the actual wiring, addressable notification enables you to use less wire because you're not running back and forth every time you connect to a device. You can actually T-tap. You also, because you have less wire, you can use smaller gauge wiring because voltage drop is no longer an issue. And then the third aspect to wiring is you no longer need shields. So all three of those, right? Less wire, smaller wire, no shields. That's a lot of opportunity to save on wiring costs. And then when it comes to installation, that shield aspect kind of rolls over again, right? It's less time tying all your splices together. You're also going to save money on, or save time on the fact that you don't have end-of-line resistors.
Okay.
It's easier to install. And then that ability to T-tap is going to make the system so much easier to install. A lot of crews have a fire alarm crew and a standard electrical crew. Now this system is going to be as simple as installing any electrical system. You got a positive and negative, you tie them together from the panel out to each device, and you can put as many T-taps in there as you want. It's not going to cause any issues with the system.
So of course, if we're using less wire, we're using less conduit too.
Absolutely.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So then the only other thing is there's some really great benefits to the devices that we'll talk about in a later video. Okay. And in addition to that, we're going to talk about specific benefits for the end user because end users love the system, the reliability. So we'll talk about that later today.
All right. Well, I appreciate it, Josh.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.